No, side by side.
Dude, I'm
No,
right.
you two,
No.
get in
I'm
line.
right here.
Get in line,
Listen,
right there. Right there.
I'm here, mate.
Okay, good.
Your camera's rolling.
Oh, hi
Hello,
there.
people.
Hi, this is Welcome to Nature's program, and we are here to discuss the hazards of freaking nature. What more can we say, huh?
There are a lot of them.
Yeah, like, look at this. It's a freaking nettle. Dangerous to the eye, dangerous to the touch. No, I'm not going to touch it. But you touch it, it will sting you.
No, it's okay. It's a fake one we got for the set.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You go ahead and touch it then.
There you go.
Wow. I still don't trust it. You know,
I
but yeah, a nettle are dangerous. So, as you walk further down, one of the most dangerous things you can find in a forest is a tree.
You see it everywhere.
They are everywhere. They're
Good.
always looking at you.
That's right.
As much as tree huggers love to hug them, one will normally find his nose smacked up against the tree.
Also, I'd like to point out, if you see a note on it,
It means slender man. Here we have another danger. A bluebell. Or a purple lilac bell. It's lilac, okay? People that call them bluebells are stupid. Because that is perfectly lilac.
you do know that's plastic. You. No, never mind. Let's keep going. Oh wait, look. Cobweb.
Oh, cobweb.
Now, you might not know this, but in the wild, spiders are twice their size. What the hell is that? No, that's better. Anyway, spiders are twice their size. So, like, let's say a tarantula.
Cobwebs, be careful. If you touch them, you're likely to get... I'm joking, you thought I was stuck. Yeah.
Okay.
Stupid.
Now, follow me, because I have found another danger. Unexplored before. And you can
Do the benches next.
Okay. Next part.
It says do the benches
These
next.
little,
Don't
these
tell the
little
people that though.
blocks here. See the stick? That's dynamite. Pull that, you're gonna explode.
Don't pull it.
No!
Oh. You're freaking wrong again, man.
Oh no, it's not filled up. That's why. No, okay, never mind.
Oh, you see an eye here though. Look, I told you they were watching
God.
us.
Oh wait, what?
Actually, that looks more like a remus.
Looks like the frickin' anus of a tree.
Ew. I'm sorry.
Anyway.
Anyways. Stone. You have to be careful of these.
Because look, I'll explain. You can walk over, and you could buckle on it. Because obviously I'm a smart person. I ain't gonna buckle on it.
You can obviously tell that was fake and staged. And obviously...
You flicked dirt on me.
anyways, acting professional. Let's move it. If we walk over here, you can see more of the deadly freaking metal.
I've been stung on the arm. My arm's going there.
There's something in my shoe.
Oh. Okay, people.
Oh.
Now listen closely. When you see benches,
That
sign
means there's a freaking ritual for Satan.
or teenagers. Either way is bad.
Wait,
Teenagers are worse though because they bring their own fluids, known as alcohol. And so kids, if you're watching this, don't drink.
Do not drink.
Oh God.
What did I tell you? When teenagers poo, that's what it looks like.
We made a little friend as well.
Yes, it has a friend. Oh, it's got two friends. It's a fly. Don't like flies. Aha! I told you, tribal paintings.
Oh.
This will date back to the good old days.
Caveman.
Back about a few years ago.
Yeah.
When the cavemen used to draw their little graffiti signs over here. And they would make great stories of how they managed to live.
Around that could trigger that.
Trigger.
Releasing very deadly
Green
pigeons.
pigeon. Green pigeon.
Green pigeons.
Out from a little cannabis plant would sprout just from that hole. Yes.
Dangerous. Dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Not good for our health. Sorry.
Hey,
But
Pete.
anyways, I do not like to know what that thing is.
No, this seems kind of unexplored before, because as you can see,
It looks like a ritual table.
it's like a pool table.
Ritual table.
Pool
where
table.
Sacrifices are made. I wouldn't stand on that if I was you. It looks dangerous. Oh, Tyler. Cameraman.
Oh, people, poison flowing from the rocks.
The rocks cry to us. If we go to the river now, enough that sacrifices can
You will
be
see.
table.
A dangerous bridge.
A dangerous bridge. Now, if you look now, you can either step over here, which is less dangerous than this side. Can
And
you see?
people, look,
Less
more
dangerous,
sign of teenagers there with the
more
alcohol.
dangerous.
They just come here when.
Let's just walk. A bottle. Told you, a blue bottle.
Like a darkish green. This rope looks normal, but it can really easily catch you and kill you. Because we know trees are alive, they can stick you like a snake or something else like that. I don't really know.
I have something disgusting in my shoe.
I think it's with your foot, Benji.
Perhaps I should demonstrate of how dangerous it really is.
By the way, this is
black.
fake, so
Yes,
no damage can be done. So
No,
yeah,
not
if you
at
get
all.
between the ropes. Now usually, the trees at night time become alive. So with these ropes, yeah, they clench together and they squeeze the life out of their victims. And that's pretty dangerous because, you know, it gets all the air out of you, and it's, as you can see, it's kind of fatal. Also, that happens as well. It's a side effect of the trees. Benji, you start now like no one. There's a spider on there, by the way. Oh, never mind. Let's just go. Come on. Okay, I'll put it. Oh, thank God for that. Oh, sorry. There you go. It's like get under. There you go. Okay.
That was staged.
Get over this. Okay, people. We have covered most dangers, but there are a few more we should really tell you about. Really dangerous.
It's freaking dangerous.
Really dangerous. Okay.
As you can see,
Now.
we're in a tightly confined space, not good for claustrophobic.
Not good. Nope.
Going back down. Seriously? Really? Are you? What the heck was that? What the heck is that noise? I'm sure they called that.
Slender Man.
And
Okay, people. Slender Man. I should let you know, as a final fact,
it's an internet phenomenon.
as well as that,
Myth.
pens can destroy him. If you draw on his face.
Hey.
No, he could appear any moment. Okay, people. No bluebells were harmed in this making of whatever this is. No flies were harmed. Except Benji, he was harmed.
No cannabis was harmed either. If you enjoyed this, oh, one more thing. Don't ever go for big tit girls. You know why? Because it's a booby trap!